Hello, welcome to my channel. Halloween is only a few weeks away. Have you decided what you will be this year? In this video, I am going to show you how I recreated this costume from Wednesday Addams Rave'N Dance. First, I need to research and find as many pictures as I can online and look at the details of the garments. Luckily, this Wednesday dance from the TV series was really popular at that time and I was able to find some really good pictures of the dress. After going through all the pictures, I decided to divide this costume into 4 parts: fabric, bodysuit, top and skirt. First, for the fabric, it looks like black organza when I watched the TV series. However, from the picture I found, not only this fabric has different shades of black and also it has these irregular shape of dots on it. So I decided to create this pattern in Adobe Illustrator first and then import to Clo 3D later. Now I have finished creating fabric print, and I can start working on the garment. Let's start with the bodysuit. One trick I like to use when creating tight-fitted garment. I will use these transparent pieces as you can see in the 2D window. Basically, I will make a base bodice block and start drawing style lines. Then select all the lines, right-click and choose Cut and Sew. Add a new fabric and lower the opacity in Property Editor to 0 on this fabric. Select the pieces that are not supposed to show on the garment, assign them with the transparent fabric. The reason I am doing this is because a lot of time if you have a garment with tiny straps and open neck style, you tend to get a lot of issues during simulation or making animation. This way, it will make sure all the pieces are secured and won't fall when the avatar starts to move. Of course, if you want to use this pattern for production, you will have to delete these transparent pieces before printing the marker. For this style, Wednesday Addams was wearing a bodysuit with black tights. The easiest way to make tights in this case is to change the skin color of the avatar on the legs section. Just click on avatar's legs, and go to Property Editor and change the skin color. You can try to make actual tights on avatar. However, you probably will end up with a lot of issues when you try to add shoes over the stocking. Now we can move on to the top part of the dress. Couple things I like to mention here that can help you when you are creating a design with more than one layer of garment. First is to freeze your underlayer garment before you create the outer layer. Just select all your pattern pieces in 2D window, right-click in either 2D or 3D and choose Freeze. All the selected pieces will turn blue and nothing will happen to these pieces during simulation. You also have option in 2D window when you right-click to deactivate these pieces and hide in 3D window. By the way, Chloe has some pre-made basic styles in the modular library you can use. The collar and collar band I used for this costumes are from the modular library. It saved me some time to make collar from scratch. Second thing you should pay attention to is when you have multi-layers of ruffles. You wanna avoid using shirring or elastic function on all the layers. I have had many problems during the process because of it. You can try use shirring or elastic on the very top layer only. If you still have issues, I would suggest just remove shirring and elastic function. And don't forget to lower particle distance to get a nice drape look on the ruffles. For the skirt portion, I will add 3 layers of irregular length ruffle panels to give the fullness puffy look. If you like ruffles to stick up more, you can choose silk chiffon or silk organza fabric from the library. If you like it draped more, cotton stretch velvet is a good option. You can find all 3 fabrics in the Chloe 3D fabric folder. When you add multiple ruffle panels to the garment, try to start from the very bottom layer and work up to the top. This way you will have less collision during simulation. Now I have finished both layers of the garments. The last step is to add the belt to complete the look. I will need to use buckle for this belt, and you can either find that in the hardware and trim folder in library, or you can download free buckles on Chloe Set Connect website. Adding buckle can be tricky sometimes. I will show you how to do that in the future tutorial video. Now I have everything ready. It's time to add pose, hair and makeup to the avatar for final rendering. I hope after watching this video, it will inspire you to create something fun for the Halloween. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to click like to subscribe.